real quick, guys, just to get y'all's attention real fast. We've been running, obviously it's our public speaking workshop that we're doing, right? We're going through lessons, we've been learning stuff, but we've been doing a lot of audience participation and role playing. So they've already gone through 2 rounds of a speech contest that I designed, in which they first had to speak on an impromptu subject they know nothing about, and then they had to speak on a subject they know everything about. After they've gone through those 2 rounds and I've scored them, we're down to 5 finalists. They are going to come deliver another speech to you, roughly somewhere around 1.5 to 3 minutes long. It's not very long, depending on obviously how fast they talk. The speech that they're about to deliver you've probably heard it before. It may have been from a famous president. I guess aren't all presidents famous? That word's probably not even needed, but could have been from a president, could have come from a movie. You've probably heard it before. The goal for them is not to act it out as it was originally performed. The goal for them is to own it and re-deliver that speech as if they're the ones that wrote it, and we were the ones that was really meant for. Whoever wins this, and they're going to win by round of applause from us, whoever we all feel did the best, we're going to yell and scream and cheer for them, right? Whoever wins gets to go speak on the stage at 8% for 5 minutes. This could be a big break for some people to get the opportunity to get on stage in a big event. It's going to be, 1,007 people there? It's a big opportunity. It might be the thing that breaks them out and pushes them to the next level. So we're going to start with the first one. Are you guys ready? Our first contestant, or our first finalist, is a gentleman by the name of Rob. And Rob has a speech for us. We're ready when you are, Rob.
Oh, I'm ready. Hello. There is no strife, no national conflict in our outer space as of yet. Its hazards are hostile to us. Its conquest deserves the best of all mankind. And its opportunity for peaceful cooperation may never, ever come again. But why, some say, the moon? Why the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why 35 years ago did we fly across the Atlantic? Heck, why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade. This decade. And we choose to do other things. Not because they're easy, but because they are hard. Because they're hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and our skills. Because that challenge is the one we're willing to accept, one we're unwilling to postpone, and one we are going to win. Thank you.
I don't know if anybody recognized that, but that was Kennedy's speech when he announced that we're going to the moon. They're like, why the hell do you go to the moon? He's like, well, why not go to the moon? It's like, we're going to do it because it's hard. Because we're not supposed to go. All right, so we got number 2. Y'all ready? Yeah. Patrice. This is Patrice. Everybody give it up.
Good morning. In less than 1 hour, aircraft will be here from around the world to join us. And we will be launching our very first aerial battle in this mankind. Mankind. Now that's going to mean something different for us today. Mankind. Today, we are fighting for our independence. Today, we're not letting our petty differences get between us, and we're not coming for opposition. Now, perhaps today is the 4th of July, but once again, what we are fighting for is our freedom. We're fighting for the right to live. We're fighting for the right to exist. And you should win. 4th of July will no longer be an American holiday, but A day that the world would declare in one voice. Repeat after me. We will not go quietly into the night.
We will not go quietly into the night.
We will not vanish without a fight.
We will not vanish without a fight.
We're going to live.
We're going to live.
We're going to survive.
We're going to survive.
Come on, stand up and say it with me. You can say it with more gusto than that. We are not going to go quietly into the night.
We are not going to go quietly into the night.
We will not vanish without a fight.
We will not vanish without a fight.
We're going to live.
We're going to live.
We're going to survive.
We're going to survive.
Today, we celebrate Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Awesome. Very nice. All right, we got a third one. Emily Trevino, you ready?
All right, y'all. There's a tradition in tournament play, okay? You cannot talk about the next one and the next step until you climb the first one, okay? You hear me, Rob?
I hear you.
Okay, good, because we are in the state finals, and this is beyond your wildest dreams, but I need you to forget about that right now. It is so important for you to focus and concentrate. I need you to forget about their fancy uniforms, the big size of the school, the crowds, the large crowds here. I need you to focus on your skills and your determination, and remember what got you here today, okay? Kim, I need you to really bring it in, okay? Because it's not about winning and losing. I don't want you to be worried about the game. We practiced until it was perfect, okay? I want you to leave it out on the court. I want you to do the best that you can do. Because at the end of the game, regardless of that scoreboard, we are all winners here today, okay?
That was Gene Hackman's famous speech in Hoosiers at the end of the finals when he's telling them, hey, don't worry about the score, just we're all winners regardless. So nice job. All right, number 4. Y'all ready for Matt Timon?
Fans, for the past 2 weeks, you've probably been reading about the bad break that I got. Yet today, I consider myself the luckiest man on earth. I've been to ballparks for 17 years, and I've never received anything but kindness and encouragement from you guys. Look at these grand men. Which of you wouldn't consider it the highlight of his career to associate with these guys every day? Sure, I'm lucky. Sure, I'm lucky. Who wouldn't consider it an honor to spend 9 years with Miller Huggins? Then to have spent 9 years with the best manager in baseball, Joe McCarthy. When you have a parent who works all their lives so that you can have an education, so that you can build your body, it's a blessing, guys, it's a blessing. And I'm feeling it today. When you have a wife who has a tower of strength and shown more courage than you dreamed existence, that's the finest thing that I know. That's the finest thing that I know. So I close in saying that I might have had a tough break, but I have an awful lot to live for. Thank you.
Who's ready for the last one?
Yeah.
Y'all ready? Chris, you're up.
Let's go, Chris.
We got everybody here?
Oh, yeah.
Let me have your attention. So you're talking about what? What are you talking about? You're talking about that sale you shot? Some jerk that didn't buy from you? Somebody that doesn't want what you're selling, maybe that girl that you tried to pick up? Let's talk about something important. let's talk about leads. I'm here from downtown. I'm here from Tony and Cody. And I'm here on a mission of mercy. Okay, I have your attention now? Good. Because we're doing a little something different for this month's sales incentive. First prize, a Cadillac Eldorado. Second prize, a set of steak knives. Third prize, you're fired. You get the picture? Oh, are you laughing now? You got leads. Tony and Cody paid big money for these leads. Get the names to sell. You can't close the leads you're given. You can't close squat. You are squat. Hit the bricks, pal. Beat it, because you are going out.
Cool stuff? Is that fun? Right? Did you guys have fun today? Right? Did you guys like that? All right. By round of applause and noise, does Rob get to speak at 8%? Does Patrice get to speak at 8%?
That's pretty good.
Does Emily get to speak at 8%? Does Matt Timon get to speak at 8%? Chris, speaking at 8%? Hey, thank you guys all. Thank you guys for coming out and helping us celebrate, help put some nerves on them. Give everybody a big round of applause. Day one is in the books. Is it good? Right?
Hey, if you enjoyed this, I got another one you're gonna love. It's right there. Click on it. See you in there.
This is like the one sales tip that could just totally change the game in some agent's life. I want to go a couple more minutes. I know you have 20 agents currently, 21 with manager. You have one. They're averaging 1.4.